saying that he's into sports, he plays a lot of sports, he pays a lot of attention to the food that he eats and his diet, and he uses supplements. He's saying, is there anything wrong with this? If you're a Muslim, and you pray, alhamdulillah, and you understand, you're trying to be the best Muslim that you can be, at the same time you're enjoying yourself, playing sports, you try your best to pray in jama'ah, this is something good. And you're not like some people, for example, they're able to go and play football for 2 hours non-stop, but they're unable to wake up for Fajr. And clearly this is a problem. Now he mentioned over-the-counter supplements. Over-the-counter supplements, if you're talking about whey protein, like creatine, vitamins, normal supplements that are regulated, these things, generally, we cannot say that they are haram for the normal person. Because when we say that something is haram, we should have clear proof that this is haram. Doctors mention that this is harmful, for example, that it has side effects. Then here we say, yes, it's prohibited, it is haram due to the side effects. Don't forget your priorities as a Muslim. The 5 prayers, taking care of your parents, being a good Muslim who always remembers Allah, and you engage in sports and having fun. That's something that is permissible. Islam doesn't tell you, no, everything is haram. Everything is haram except worship and prayer. No, Islam doesn't say this. Islam is an easy religion that takes into consideration many things. As long as you're doing something that is permissible and not haram, then it's something that is permissible.